Most cryptocurrencies suffered substantial volatility throughout the weekend. As a consequence, the overall drop in the value of tokens as a whole. The Shiba Inu suffered big decreases over the weekend, which were instantly reversed on Monday. Most tokens climbed in value during Monday's session as investors reviewed the market's response to Friday's sell-off for Shiba Inu. Rumors surrounding the debut of the new metaverse game contributed in boosting this token significantly beyond its Friday closing price, since achieving its all-time high on October 28. Additionally, investors are waiting for Robinhood to put Shiba Inu coin on their platform. The bulls tried to retain the 0.00035 support level, which had been in place for 1 month. On November 29, following down-channel breakout, the bulls tried to create a comeback, but they were unable to sustain their momentum. As a consequence, the price movement on the stock market achieved a 6-week low on December 3, this coming to a wider sell-off. And despite a small lean on their side, bulls retained support around $0.00002914. After 24 hours of trade, the stock finished at 0.003745, reflecting a gain of nearly 6.03. Shiba is presently trading at 0.000 and is up 6.1 in the previous 4 hours. In previous days, the RSI backed by us. Nonetheless, it had endured the 12-point hit from the oversold area. Aside from that, the DMI reiterated the negative figure that had been foreshadowed at earlier in the day by the poor directional trend. The Shiba Inu price looks to be preparing to erupt higher as a consequence of the buildup of liquidity below crucial levels. As a consequence, Shiba is positioned for a rally with confirmation coming after a new high had been hit when the cryptocurrency market was undergoing a sell down between November 30 and December 4. She utilized price reduced by 45 throughout this era, provided that she was developing a shorter base. Investors should assume that the price of China will begin to climb quickly. 0.00042 is going to have a 25 gain, which will be the first important obstacle to clear. According to the estimates of market players, the positive momentum of the meme currency will intensify as it reaches its objective. When this level is cleared, it will show that the buyers are in charge and will also pave the path to $0.000543. Retesting this level will result in a 55 rise in elevation and will show a full recovery. According to Walker Expert, the Shiba Inu Shiba stock price has climbed by 2,600,000% over the previous 365 days. This illustrates that even though numerous other cryptocurrencies were badly impacted by the ups and downs of the market at the beginning of this year, the SHIB coin did not suffer considerably. In a manner, the yearly volume of Shiba 2,600,000% data implies that all of the recent hype and passions surrounding the Shiba Inu were not in vain. Instead, it was building the framework for Shiba to enter a more affluent and profitable period. In recent months, there hasn't been a single day that has gone without some bit of Shiba-related news. The SHIB cryptocurrency has quietly but gradually ascended the rankings, reaching even more success than the crypto world predicted. Meanwhile, traders weren't as enthused about the SHIB token at the start of its existence as they are today, and the token's worth didn't begin to surge until it witnessed a dramatic spike in value. Shiba Inu has maintained an exceptional price performance in contrast to the bulk of other cryptocurrencies, which have seen their values drop within a short period of time. The Shiba Inu community mobilized once again to support their attempts to get SHIB listed on Robinhood Finance, Coinbase, FTX, Crypto.com, Wilby, and Qcoin are among the significant cryptocurrency exchanges that support a petition calling Robinhood to leadership. Has garnered 2,629 new supporters in the previous week, increasing the total number of signatures on file to 541,000. The Shiba army instantly rushed to Twitter after learning about Kraken Shiba listing, asking Robinhood about Shiba Inu. With 1 million signatures, the petition will be one of the most popular and extensive change. Org Satoshi Kusama volunteer project had reposted in response to a tweet wondering whether she will be featured on Robinhood by the end of 2021. In recent months, various good occurrences have transpired within the Shiba Inu community, resulting in strong support for Shiba among the group's members. Among the most recent developments in the recent announcement that the currency will be used in its own blockchain game, which will be released soon as a result of the watershed moment, which is expected to significantly reduce the amount of commodity available on the market, and the main component for Shiba is expected to emerge. This was disclosed by Satoshi Kusama, one of the token's most renowned designers, who touted the anticipated feature as the future of gaming. Other investors have pointed out that its stock price has decreased by 70 since the beginning of the year after a 79% loss. In Bitcoin revenue in the preceding quarter, another Shiba lover even stated that the dramatic dip in the stock price of Robinhood from its August highs was due to the trading app's omission to add to Shiba Inu bringing it straight to Robinhood. The Sheep Army also took over the responses on Robinhood's Twitter account. Its most recent week, which explored numerous sorts of transaction fees, attracted 473 reactions, many of which were devoted to SHIB. If Robinhood chooses to put the Shiba Inu on its website, it will be a win-win scenario for everyone concerned. It might result in a rise in trading volume for the trading app, and Shiba stands to gain from the added exposure, which could result in even higher adoption of the trading app. One other important event is the initiation of the Shiba token burning campaign shortly. The problem of excess supply, for which Shiba has been highly chastised, may be addressed. Approximately 2 billion Shiba tokens were destroyed in November alone, deleting them from the circulating supply of the cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency has retained its status as the most valued commodity among the top 1,000 most valuable wallets on the Ethereum network. According to Whale Stat Statistics, the top 1,000 E3M wallets jointly contain nearly $2 billion in Shiba tokens. The dog-inspired meme currency now holds a 10th part of the Whale's overall holdings, according to CoinMarketCap. The sheep, on the other hand, has lost value during the same time. The meme currency has lost roughly 29% of its value in the previous 30 days. The stock has declined 7 as of time of publishing and was trading at $0.00033 per share on the day in question. Although the data implies that the whale investor is anticipating a market price gain, it's also feasible that they are merely purchasing the drop to safeguard their investment. When you analyze all the market and crypto industry changes that have surrounded Shiba in the recent months, it's not unusual that a huge number of new investors have joined the market. A Canadian medical business requested the doctor recently announced the acquisition of 31 billion Shiba tokens worth around $1.5 million at current market prices. In addition, the corporation has announced that it hopes to employ Shiba as a payment option in the future. As things stand, all that's required for Shiba price to evoke FOMO is for it to recover momentum